Like, it legit doesn't make any sense. Like, how? I don't get it. Like, it just, like, it's nothing to me, you know? Like, how they can win, like, there's just take this game so far. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Like, they're so trash, okay? They're just so trash. Like, it doesn't make any sense. But still, why no one is joining? Like, the fuck? Like, it's just like, you know, it's just like messed up. How do they take this? They don't take it fun. Doesn't make any sense. Legit all. Ah, this is so annoying. No, I don't want to love game. I love my name. Oh my god! Leave me alone. Which one did I want to do? Oh god, what is here? What is there? Like, I want to win at least one duel. Like, doesn't make any sense at all. Like, legitness, nothing. Even I have the best player, I can't win. Like, doesn't make any sense. Like, how can they? Oh shit, we have. Oh. Oh. Well, I got the dream one stuff. Hold on, mate. No, who cares? Just want to stay with this one. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Oh, it's the same guy. Oh, wait. I can't. This is legit going to gain my complication of rage quitting. What is this? What the? It doesn't make any sense. How did I? Like, it doesn't. How? Like, I didn't do anything. Like, I punched me 2 times in a row and I died. Like, both of them. What? Doesn't make any, like, just bull crap, you know? Just crap. But it doesn't make any sense, though. Yay, I got potion. I'm here, bitch. I'm here, boy. I'm here. Ah, shoot. I'm gonna drink some. I'm gonna eat some. Help me. 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 Am I winning? I don't know. Still don't know. I still have no idea if we're winning or not. I'm just hitting some people. What the fuck? No, it still doesn't make any sense. Like, see how they win? Like, how they can hit me while I'm running? I mean, let me send Wallace because let me just eat. Splash, 6 minutes, guys. I take it. What the fuck? How can he do that? How can he freaking do that? Oh no,